In the previous video, we understood the measure command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to place point at a fixed distance along the object. Now, in this video, we'll understand one of the most important accuracy tools in AutoCAD, Object Snap, also called an Osnap. Object Snap helps us to select exact points on an object. For example, exact endpoint of a line, exact midpoint of the line, exact center of the circle, the exact intersection of two objects. Without Object Snap, we may click close to points, but not exactly on it. And in AutoCAD, close is not enough. We need accuracy. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the Object Snap in a very simple way. Object Snap is a tool that helps your cursor to lock onto the important points of an object. Think of it like a magnet. When your cursor goes near to the important point, AutoCAD catches that point for you. For example, when you move your cursor near the endpoint of the line, Object Snap can catch that exact endpoint. When you move near the center of the circle, it can catch the exact center point. So, the simple way to remember is this. Object Snap helps us to click the exact points, not the random points. It is not a drawing command. It is an accuracy helper. Object Snap is very important because AutoCAD drawing must be accurate. If two lines are supposed to be touched, they should touch exactly. If a circle should start from the center of the another object, it should start from the exact center. If a line should start connect to a corner, it should connect at the exact endpoint. If you draw by your eye, small mistakes can happen. The drawings may look correct from the far, but when you zoom in, you may see small gaps or overlaps. Object Snap helps us to avoid these problems. So remember, do not guess points with your mouse. Use Object Snap. The Object Snap is found at the status bar at the bottom of the AutoCAD screen. Look at the bottom area where you see the tools like Grid, Ortho, Polar, and other drafting settings. There you'll find the Object Snap. It may also shown as a Osnap. You can find it or turn it on or off from here. You can also press F3 on your keyboard. So remember, F3 turns Object Snap on or off. This is one of the most useful keyboard in the AutoCAD. Object Snap has different settings. These settings tells AutoCAD which exact point you want to catch. For example, endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, perpendicular, target, nearest. You don't need to use everything at the beginning. As a beginner, start with the most important ones like endpoints, midpoints, center, and intersection. These four are used again and again in the basic drawings. To open Object Snap settings, go to the status bar. Find the Object Snap icon. Right-click on it. Then you click Settings. AutoCAD opens the drafting setting window. Here you can choose which snap points you want to turn on or off. For beginner practice, turn on endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection. Then click OK. Now, Object Snap is ready to help you to select an exact points. Endpoint Snap helps us to select exact endpoint of a line, arc, or object. For example, draw one line. Now, start the line command again. Move your cursor near to the endpoint of the first line. You will see the snap cursor appears. This means AutoCAD has found the exact endpoint. Click there. Now, your new line starts exactly from the endpoint of the old line. This is very useful when you're drawing connect walls, boundaries, frames, and technical shapes. So remember, Endpoint Snap connects objects exactly at the endpoint. Midpoint Snap helps us to select exactly from the middle of the line. For example, draw one straight line. Now, start another line command. Move your cursor near the middle of the line first. AutoCAD shows the midpoint snap marker. Click there. Now your new line starts exactly from the center of the line. This is useful when placing the centered lines, drawing shapes, locating objects, or align design elements. So remember, midpoint snap finds the exact middle of the object. Center snap helps us to select the center of a circle or an arc. For example, draw one circle. Now, start a line command. Move your cursor near to the circle. AutoCAD shows the center snap. Click the center point. Now, your line starts exactly from the center of the circle. This is useful for mechanical drawings, circular layouts, poles, board, symbols, and many other drawings. So remember, center snap finds the exact center of a circle and arc. Intersection snap helps us to select exact point where two objects are cross or meet. For example, draw one horizontal line. Now, draw another line vertical crossing it. Start the line command again. Move your cursor near the crossing point. AutoCAD shows the intersection snap. Click there. Now your new lines start exactly from the intersection point. This is very useful in floor plans, grids, construction lines, walls, and technical drawings. So remember, intersection snap finds the exact crossing point between two objects. Object snap work when AutoCAD asks you to pick a point. For example, while using the line command, while using circle command, while using the move, copy, rotate, stretch, or any editing command. Whenever AutoCAD asks you for a point, Object Snap can help to pick the exact point. This is important. Object Snap is not something you use alone. It works together with the drawing and editing commands. So remember, start a command first, then use the Object Snap to pick an accurate point. Sometimes you may not want all the Object Snap turned on. You may also need one snap for one click. For that, you can use temporary Object Snap. While the command is active, hold Shift and right click. A shortcut menu appears. From there, you can choose the endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, and other snap options. This is useful when you need a specific snap without changing all the settings. As a beginner, you can first practice this with normal Object Snap settings. Later, temporary Object Snap will make you faster. So let's quickly summarize the Object Snap. Object Snap or Osnap help us to select exact point on an object. It helps us to catch endpoints, midpoints, center, intersection, and other important points. You can turn Object Snap on or off from the status bar. You can also press F3 to turn it on and off. To change the settings, right-click on the Object Snap icon in the opening settings. As a beginner, start with endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection. And remember, Object Snap helps you to draw accurately instead of guessing with your mouse. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Turn your Object Snap from the status bar. Or press F3. Click New Object Snap in the opening settings. Turn your endpoint, midpoint, center, and intersection. Now, draw one line. Start line command again. Move your cursor near to the endpoint of the first line. Wait for the snap marker. Click the endpoint and draw a connected line. Now draw a circle. Start with the line command again. Move your cursor near to the center until it finds the center snap. Click the center point and draw a line from the center. Now you draw a true crossing lines. Use the intersection snap. Start a new line exactly from the crossing point. Practice this slowly. Do not click randomly. Wait for help snap marker, then click. So this was the Osnap or Object Snap in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that Object Snap is one of the most important tools for accuracy. It helps you to click exact endpoints, midpoints, centers, and intersections. If your drawing is not accurate, many commands may not work properly later. So always use Object Snap instead of guessing. In the next video, we'll understand Ortho Mode. Ortho Mode helps us to draw and move objects in a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical directions. So in the next lesson, we'll learn how to keep lines and movements straight using Ortho Mode in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.